Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of the 2025 AI agent pricing landscape. In this presentation, we'll explore how 66 leading companies are navigating the complex challenge of pricing AI agent products, revealing emerging patterns and strategic insights that can guide your own pricing decisions in this rapidly evolving market. Introduction: the AI pricing revolution. We're standing at a fascinating crossroads in the AI industry. The market for AI agents is still in its early stages of pricing maturity, creating both challenges and opportunities for companies trying to find the right balance between delivering value and recovering costs. This isn't just about setting prices, it's about designing business models that can scale while remaining fair and transparent to customers. Our research across 66 companies reveals that we're witnessing a fundamental shift in how technology products are priced, driven by the unique characteristics of AI services. Common pricing models, the building blocks of AI revenue. Let's examine the core pricing strategies emerging in the AI agent market. First, we have the traditional subscription model, a flat recurring fee that offers predictability but can struggle with the variable costs inherent in AI services. Then there's the per-user or seat-based pricing, which provides excellent margins but may not accurately reflect actual usage patterns. The usage-based model is particularly interesting. It charges customers based on actual consumption, creating perfect alignment with value but introducing revenue unpredictability. Outcome-based pricing takes this further by tying costs directly to business results, though it remains rare due to implementation challenges. We're also seeing freemium and free trial models used extensively to reduce adoption barriers, along with tiered pricing that segments the market effectively. But the real story isn't in any single model, it's in how companies are combining these approaches to create hybrid solutions that balance multiple business objectives. The hybrid model dominance: why 92.4% of companies choose complexity. Here's the most striking finding from our research. 92.4% of companies are now using hybrid pricing models. This isn't a coincidence, it's a strategic response to the unique challenges of pricing AI services. Hybrid models allow companies to blend predictable revenue streams with variable components that align with actual value delivery. The benefits are clear. Companies can maintain revenue stability while ensuring fairness for customers with different usage patterns. They can reduce acquisition barriers while creating natural upgrade paths. But this approach comes with significant complexity. Companies need sophisticated billing systems, transparent communication strategies, and careful revenue forecasting. The key insight here is that success in AI pricing isn't about finding one perfect model. It's about creating flexible systems that can adapt to different customer segments and use cases while maintaining operational efficiency. Real-world examples: learning from market leaders. Let's look at how leading companies are implementing these strategies in practice. Windsurf uses a complex hybrid approach with tiered pricing, usage limits, and free trials designed to serve both individual users and enterprise customers seamlessly. Fireflies.ai takes a different approach, focusing on per-seat pricing combined with free trials. This works well for their business-focused product, balancing revenue capture with user acquisition. Cursor demonstrates yet another variation with carefully segmented tiered pricing that maximizes market reach across different customer types. What's fascinating is that despite their different approaches, all these successful companies share a common philosophy: flexibility and customer-centric design. They're not just selling features, they're selling outcomes, and their pricing reflects this value orientation. The outcome-based frontier, where pricing meets value. Now let's talk about the most advanced and least common pricing model: outcome-based pricing. Only 4.5% of companies have adopted this approach, despite its theoretical appeal of perfect value alignment. The challenges are significant. How do you define measurable outcomes? How do you track and attribute results accurately? How do you maintain revenue predictability when pricing is tied to performance? But the potential rewards are equally significant. Companies that crack this code can command premium pricing and build incredibly strong customer relationships. The key is starting with pilot programs, developing clear value metrics, and building the tracking capabilities needed to make this model work. We believe outcome-based pricing represents the future of AI agent pricing, and early adopters who solve these challenges will gain significant competitive advantage. Strategic recommendations: navigating the pricing maze. Based on our analysis, we have 3 key recommendations for companies navigating this complex landscape. First, embrace hybrid models. They've become the industry standard for good reason, but invest in the billing infrastructure needed to manage this complexity effectively. Second, view your pricing strategy as a competitive advantage, not just a revenue mechanism. The companies winning in this space are those that can clearly communicate value and make it easy for customers to understand what they're paying for. Third, start experimenting with outcome-based elements now, even if you're not ready for full implementation. The market is moving in this direction, and building these capabilities early will pay dividends later. Conclusion: the future of AI pricing. As we look to the future, several trends are becoming clear. Hybrid models will continue to evolve, becoming more sophisticated and personalized. Outcome-based pricing will grow from its current niche status to become more mainstream as tracking technologies improve. But the fundamental challenge remains the same: balancing customer value with business sustainability. The companies that succeed will be those that view pricing not as a static decision, but as an ongoing experiment, constantly testing, learning, and adapting to market feedback. The AI agent market is still young, and the pricing models we see today are just the beginning. As AI capabilities continue to advance and customer expectations evolve, pricing strategies will need to keep pace. The future belongs to companies that can build flexible, transparent pricing systems that grow with their customers and their technology. Thank you for joining this exploration of AI agent pricing. The opportunities are vast, and the companies that get pricing right will be well positioned to lead the next wave of AI innovation.